Hello and welcome to 1 Minute Italian, where you learn some simple yet useful Italian in just 1 minute. More or less. In today's lesson, how do we say I must or I have to in Italian? DEVO. DEVO. DEVO is followed by an infinitive verb, that is to say, a verb in its full form. Devo mangiare. Devo andare. We can extend the sentence by adding a little more information. Devo andare. Devo andare adesso. Devo andare domani. Devo mangiare. Devo mangiare subito. Devo mangiare adesso. Just look up a word in the dictionary and add it to devo to say what you have to do. To say, do I have to do something? We don't change the word order of the sentence as we do in English. We simply make it sound like a question. Devo andare. Devo andare? Okay, now it's your turn. How would you say, I have to study? I have to sleep. I have to see Mario. Figure it out and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'll tell you if you're right and I'll correct you if you're wrong.